Good afternoon, I'm Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate here in Saint-Roch-Del-Sur. Here is the part 2 of the video of this Italian villa, and I'm going on the upper part. So there is on the down part a large terrace cover. We are on the east side, so it's sweet, agreeable for the afternoon sun. You see here you have the entrance on my right, on my left, and there is a large parking cover for two big cars and the rest of the lot. A mango tree here, some rocote, and I'm going now to visit a 2 bedrooms unit on the upper floor. So here on the living room, and there is access here to the first part, the down part of the house. So I'm going to the bedrooms to show you the quality of the furniture, the bed, and the view you have. So there is like 2 big windows, and there, from the windows, we have view on the Christ statue and on the bay, so it's magnificent. This room has its own balcony. So this first unit has like one main terrace here, small balcony for the rooms, and a small balcony also for the kitchen. I'm going down back inside, sorry. So visiting the room, I'm going to see the living room and the kitchen. So here I'm on the main terrace of this upper unit. So you see the Christ statue over there. Beautiful view. So here the kitchen. So it's a 2-unit home. And you see here access to the balcony upstairs. Okay, so here you have a second bedroom that is today occupied as an inventory room, so we won't show it. I'm going down now to show you with these large stairs. So the down part has several bedrooms. You have like different bedrooms here in front of me. And total some 4 quartos. So it's like 6 bedrooms home, 4 downstairs and 2 upstairs. So here you see this large living room. It's very eccentric. I love the design and what color choose the owners to paint everywhere. I appreciate it. So I will suggest to keep those furnitures in the cell, to have a turnkey home, a turnkey villa, I will say. So here we're gonna check one of the bedrooms. This one is a small bedrooms. Here are bathrooms, all the same standard, old porcelain, good quality. A bidet, you see, it's not very used to have a bidet, and hot shower, of course. So all the bedrooms have like AC. All the bathrooms have hot shower. Is the rules. So I love these living rooms, first because of the design, the cut, the space, the ceiling, how high it is. Also because of the furniture, we see like old wood. I will not be able to say what it is in English, but I love this type of furniture. You see the small up balcony, inside balcony. So on the down floor, we have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. We have here a kitchen area. So I like this kitchen because you have like a large dining rooms. And in France, normally the kitchen, it will be almost the main rooms of the house will be the kitchen. Why? Because we spend a lot of time there in the kitchen. We love it. We love to eat, but it's also the best moment of the day to share in family, speak about each member days, etc. For my kid also, I like to use this time to speak about school and what they like. So here I'm on the garden. We have this terrace. Small terrace is more like to have a view over Saint-Roch than to sit. And we have this downstairs area with this swimming pool, a cover ranch, and the kind of social area with also like a kind of bar there. So it's very easy to use. That it could be like a small hotel small hotel boutique. It could be like, of course, your mansion, your villa. So here we have those funny statue of girls, naked girls, facing the Christ on this, and we have the other one looking at us now. The pool is empty today. It will be a question of hours to have it full. We go here on the side. You see, you have like a barbecue area, kind of bricks oven. So this one, I would say, it's the magic place to receive your friend and chill. We see the bar and tables. So I feel very, that I would like to receive my friend on this place. All the house face the bay of Saint-Mandel-Sur. So we see the water everywhere we are, almost in the house. Lot, it's quite big. I think it's almost an acre. I will have more information and we'll have in comment the exact size of the lot. There is different type of tree. Of course, mango trees, it grows everywhere in Nicaragua. Some bananas also. What else could we see here? Near, I guess, some cocoa near. Okay, so here is our house. It's a big structures. 2 units, 2 floors house. We see there is different level. So I'm here I'm on the terrace near the pool, and it's the bottom level.